Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining this video. Today, we will explore how to add a status on the Botim app. Whether you want to share how you feel, your current activity, or a short message with your friends, this guide will make it easy to set up your status. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Then, tap on the edit icon, which is also located at the top right corner. Then, find the status field on the page. Tap on it and type in the message you want to display. You can write something short about your mood, what you are doing, or any message you want your friends to see. Make sure your message is clear and fits the character limit of the app. Finally, after entering your desired status, scroll down and tap on the Save button. This will update your profile and display your new status to all your contacts on Botim. You can change your status anytime by following the same steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.